Welcome everyone in today's video of how to log in.
Do you want to get logged in Halifax Bank? Then just watch this entire video because this is what this tutorial is for. First step is really simple. Just open your browser and search for the keywords Halifax Bank login. Let me show you how you can do it. Just open your browser and go to the search bar and search for Halifax Bank login. Type it. Here you can see many search results of Halifax Bank. Click on the sign in to online banking. Click on it and you are redirected to the official page of the website. Click on the sign in now and there you have been redirected again to the login page of Halifax. Here you have to fill username and password. Let me fill username as temp user, and after that you have to fill the password. Make sure the password is correct. After filling that, if you want to continue, then you can continue it. Else, if you want to get remember, tick on this. Else simply click on this continue button, and if all the credentials are correct, you'll be logged in Halifax Bank.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below.